Hello, hello. Welcome back to another daily Magic the Gathering pack opening. Today we're opening a pack of the Streets of New Capenna. Let us get right into it. Looks like we have a token punch-out sheet on the back. We have a witty roast master, another civic gardener, Maestro's Initiate, Make Disappear, Raffine's Informant, Sticky Fingers for the family, Daring Escape, Civil Servant, Gilded Pinions, okay, Glittering Stockpile, okay, Vampire Scrivener, Riveteer's Charm, and that beautiful full art that I love. Incandescent Area. Okay. That's pretty good. An Island full art. And then, yeah, that two-side punch out. Looks like shields and 1/1s. I'll see you guys again next time. Thank you so much for watching.